It's a wonderful show. Dang, he over there busting.
But he wasting bullets. See, I'm smart. He's more ammo for me.
Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine.
You better back
Hit it for the one time. Hold on, hit it for the one time. Hit it for the... Bro, you gonna shoot me and I'm the camera dude? Whoa!
No.
That was a miss. Look on the TV, Ethan. I gave you help. See, I'm a Nerf master, but these two idiots suck. Only thing is, I don't want to play right now because I got shot in the eye. I'm not blind. What are you talking about? I don't even know how to press the record button, dummy.
He did, stupid.
That's a neck no so, sir.
Party.
Tag team.
Infinity.
He over there hitting the hookah. Happy Halloween, kids. Oh, snap, y'all still going, huh? But this Nerf show is going weak. Oh my god.
I'm not shooting anything.
Bruh.
I'm not shooting anything.
But this thing has been going for 2 minutes now. Somebody just give up and die. Look at these nuts. Ah! You hit my finger! Bruh, you're disqualified. We have a disqualification. Bruh, don't shoot me. If you shoot me again, y'all disqualified for else. Ooh. Dang. That's a... Over there dying, Ethan. Look, he over there collecting them bullets. Over there collecting.
Ching ching, you already know.
Headshot. Bro, ain't nobody on YouTube gonna watch this video.
Whoa! 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 I didn't see him right there.
Oh, it's getting real.
I believe I can fly.
Bro, you shot the... Bro, you shot the camera. Hey, Chucky, why are you getting the bullets?
Back up! Back up! I told you back up!
That's that crack. That's that crack. Bruh, all these viewers that watch this, they don't want to look at y'all. So let's just flip the camera. See? I'm a nice guy. But these two dudes over here suck at Nerf guns. But besides that kid over there, he should take a fast and he gets people. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I got you. I got him.
You missed.
I got him.
You missed all those shots.
No.
This is over. But the unparticular twist, we have that black dude over there winning. You feel me, bro? We over here.
Dude, I won.
No, you didn't win. You
I
didn't win. You
won.
suck. You suck. Man, stop.
I won.